Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Collins. I am a registered dietitian and a health psychologist working in oncology. Probably the most important phase that you'll enter after getting your cancer diagnosis is what I'm calling the information gathering phase. This is where you want to know more. You need to really know, what does this diagnosis mean? What are my options on how to treat the diagnosis? Is it something that is in my family or not? You'll begin to gather information from your family, from your doctor, and many patients start looking for information on the internet. Be very careful that anything you read on the internet, you know the source, and even check it out. Check it out with another professional. Most clinics these days have teams of nurses and doctors and psychologists or dietitians or other types of professionals. Even your pharmacist can help you check out a lot of the information. And you can also start checking with other people, either in your family, your extended family. Maybe you have friends who have gone through cancer. You're probably going to find out that more people than you realize have actually had a diagnosis of cancer. That usually is what occurs. But to get all your information together, to know what it is that you're dealing with, is probably the most important phase. Very often, when you first get your diagnosis, you actually need additional tests because there are other little levels to your diagnosis. There are other questions that need to be answered to determine exactly what your treatment options are. And you need to begin in your mind and even on paper to lay out, what are the different options that I might need to make a decision about, because sometimes those decisions come back into your hands, or also what kind of time frame am I looking at. So the information gathering phase is all about the diagnosis, about the logistics of what you're going to need to do, making sure that you truly understand what's going on with your body and with the future treatments. That's, to me, the most important phase. And if you're not accustomed to internet searching, or you're not accustomed to that kind of thing, you can call the American Cancer Society. They send out a lot of booklets on your diagnosis. You can get interested in a lot of other support groups where you can come in and see people even before you get started with your treatment.